Here we will talk about GATE 2019 strategy. So we have to follow up these things: any coaching, then test series, and group discussions. So here we will discuss about any coaching. Any coaching means we have to go at least one coaching center. So they will give a brief idea about what this subject deals with and what is the syllabus and everything they will give. Some of the coaching centers are very good in sense if you consider as MADES is good one, but it has to take long term, and AS also good one. So if you are entire this year, if you are free, so you have only 5 months in your time. So if you are going for some coaching center, then it's Ravindra or Kiran, and these and GATE and GATE forum. These are some of the. So here MADES AS GATE forum classrooms, and we have to attend it from morning to evening, or any batch afternoon to evening or morning to afternoon. Anything will happen in MADES AS and GF GATE forum. In Ravindra Babu Raula and Kiran sir, these two guys will provide videos in online. It will take as cost as like MADES almost costs 65,000 something. In Delhi, MADES is around 85,000. GATE forum is considerably less when compared to all this. And Kiran sir it's a free videos. Kiran sir videos are free videos. Now if you consider, if you take any one of these coaching, then it is very easy to understand some subjects. So even we will discuss about this subject marking scheme. So that will be very useful while preparing for some subjects. So we will discuss that in next class. What is this priority and how much difficulty is this subject and everything. So now here you can consider any one of these coaching centers and you can join any one of these presently. If you are economically good, Ravindra Babu also is good. Kiran sir, I heard that some of the videos are available in online. Those are free videos. Even I saw some videos of. I watched some videos of Kiran sir. Okay, good. Even Ravindra Babu also some of the videos available in online. You can check these two if you are not financially helpful. If you are financially okay and you want to go day by day, you want to go to classroom teaching, then you have to go MADES AS or GATE forum. Okay, while going to these, you have to consider in Hyderabad, AS is the best one for computer science. Okay, there is no computer science in MADES at Hyderabad. And one more, Ravindra and Kiran, you can get Kiran sir is cost is very cheap. And then if you consider for test series, this is very important. Test series is very important. Why I am saying test series is it's kind of practice. It's just practice. If you are already you have taken coaching and you want to get good rank, the main thing is how many hours you are studying. It doesn't matter. How much effort you are putting in studying or revising it. If you are revising 10 times a day, 10 times, so your brain say that in next page this particular problem is there, that answer will there. But revising 10 times, it doesn't matter. So once revising 10 times or 100 times equal to one time giving test. One time giving test. This is very important. One time giving test. See, 100 times revising, one time giving test. See, if you give one time test, then it will give as 100 times revision. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can take MADES test series or GATE forum test series, or A's test series, Ravindra test series, or if you are financially economical, you can take any one of these test series. Any one from these. Here, Ravindra, it is some expensive. It is expensive. It is expensive. And I have seen some free online GATE test series. These are free online GATE series. You can type it in Google and you will get it. Okay. Along with, you have to practice this compulsory, because you have to practice this compulsory. Why I am saying it's a free online test series. You will get to know. Even if you are not attempting that question, if you submit that, they will give answers. Because of that, you are able to, okay, this is the right thing, this is the wrong thing. And I suggest that test series is very, very important. This is very, very important. But you can take at least one. At least one. Consider in which MADEG is good or GATE form is good, AS is good. Test series is everywhere it's good. But if you are thinking any one of these, anything is better. I heard that even MADEG test series is good and GATE foreign test series is good, AS is good. Take based on your convenience and your financial matter. Then group discussions. Group discussions are also very important. If it gets 3 stars, then it will get 2 stars. See, in group discussion, what will happen? See, one friend suggests that 10 plus 1 equal to 11. But other friend suggests that 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Or 9 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 11. See, but answer is 11. Answer equal to 11. But one suggested this answer this way, other suggested this, second person, third person suggested this. In group discussion, if you ask for x plus y equal to 11, x plus y equal to 11, then people will give like this. Okay, so everything, this one correct, this is correct, this is correct. But here, see, if you are thinking only one, you will get only one idea. Okay, 5 plus 6 equal to 11, or 6 plus 5 equal to 11. You may get only these 2 options. You might not get these, and there will be a justification for each and every question. He will, if something, it is a just simple numerical so that you can understand. But if you consider any TOC, some A star B is there. So people will ask A plus B equal to A star B. Is it true? So here you can say that in some cases it is true. If AB is there, then it is AB is there, then it is true. If it is AB, this is B, it is not true. Why? Because see, in plus means you have to take at least one character. At least one character. Okay? One character. Here star means you can take 0 or more. 0 or more. Okay? So in one person suggested that these two are true. Yet AB equal to AB, then true. Here one person said that, when some person said it is true, when some person said yeah this is true, then you can directly give counter that AB equal to B. It's not possible. So because of this discussion, if you are doing wrong and if your assumption is in wrong way, you can get to know very easily, because people are so many people are in preferring for group discussions are more important. Why group discussions are more important? Yearly 1,15,000 to more than 1,15,000 plus people will write GATE. I have seen some 860 people. So it is less than 1%. It is less than 1%. So if entire country is following one group, in that group 860 people are there. That means whoever writing GATE, those people are in less than 1% in one group. If you are considering make 4 people or 5 people or 10 people or 15 people, what will happen in your college? Take it. Some people, 6 to 7 people are preparing for GATE. Okay. Then you can make some group. Make WhatsApp group and discuss. Then only you will realize these 6 to 7 people are not competitor for you, because see why those are not competitors for you. So if you both are discussing, if he taught something to you, then you will get that knowledge. He will not be competitor to you. So what you have to do is make 6 to 7, 8 to 10 or whatever possible, 10, 100, make group. If you are in groups in 5 plus groups, whatever 10 plus groups, make it any number of groups. If you are only in one group, you should not be in one group. Make it, and the main thing is whenever you are asking some question, then only you will understand concept. So make sure that you should always ask, why this question solved like this? Why can't I solve it in other format? X plus y equal to 11. How many possible ways are there to solve that question, particular question? Why these people are using only this answer? Why can't other? Whenever if you are thinking like that, then only you can able to write GATE well. And yeah, the major things are we discussed, like test series. Test series is the major one. You have to write how much you learned, it doesn't matter. How much you prepared, it doesn't matter. You have to give test series. If it is possible, take at least one. I suggest to take 2 and 1, then it will be 3. If you are taking one here, take more here. Okay? Because test series is the R to core. It's a core of GATE exam. If you are doing well in this test series, then I'm sure you will get a very nice, good rank. Yeah, if you are planning for IIT something, then test series is good. If you are planning for only rank and PSUs, then take any coaching and do your follow-ups. And discussion is more important than all of us. See, all of these things. Discussion. See, you have to do test series. You have to write tests. As soon as possible, start it. So now, if we consider test series, revision of everything. But whenever you are writing test series, it will be over. Revision automatically overs. If you are stuck with some question, you will directly go to that topic and you will see. Whenever you suffered with some question, if you are going further and seeing that solution, you will remember forever. So practice is important. August, let it be August. See, it's over. So September, if you do at least for every day one test series. So you have to start the long test here. It's a long test time. You have to start at any case, and you will get 3 months. So in long test, write it 10 days. Take 10 days gap and write it. So you will write 3 long tests here. So now here increase. You can say that 4 tests 4 long tests weekly once. Weekly one test. So you will get 4. Okay, here write it for 5 days or 3 days or 3 to 5 days test, long test. 3 to 5 days. Then you will get almost 10 to 7. Okay, 10 to 6 or 10 to 7. To totally how many will complete? 7, 10, 20, 17 and 14. Means 15 to 25 you can cover up. If you cover long test series 15 to 25, I can guarantee that you will be ended up with some 1000, below 1000. And you should get very good marks in these. I am sure if you done minimum 15, then I am sure that you will be end up with 1000 rank. So you